This one is potent, so exercise extreme caution when you do this, because this is 2 bomb shots that you're supposed to do, and then they will come together in your stomach and fight. So that's Jaeger, followed by a shot of Irish whiskey, and then we layer on, well, you can layer it on if you want, some Irish cream, okay? Put those aside, all right? Then on one side, we have energy drink, okay? And then on the other side, we have Guinness. So basically, so those true drinkers out there know, on the left-hand side is a Jaeger bomb. On the right-hand side is the Irish car bomb. Not meaning to be offensive to my Irish friends, because you always have an issue with that name, but that's what it is, right? And so you're doing 2 of these bomb shots, and they're supposed to fight in your stomach. You get the idea? So yeah, exercise extreme caution with this one. Stay tipsy.